ಹಾಯ್, ನಾನು ಕೀರ್ತಿ. ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು 21 ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಸೆಟ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂಟ್ಯಾಂಜಿಬಲ್. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ಯಾಂಜಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಫ್ ಆನ್ ಎಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಓವರ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ partner's capital account is to be dash. So answer is debited. Journal entry ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ? when the asset is taken over by a partner, journal entry partner's capital account debit to realization account. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ debentures which are transferable by delivery are called bearer debentures. The term analysis means simplification of financial data. Cash flow statement helps in of dash cash flows. Answer, balancing cash flows. Next set, under dash method the capital of all the partners are fixed. So under fixed capital method the capital of all the partners shall remain fixed. Accounting treatment at the time of retirement and death is dash. Answer, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡೆತ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆವಾಗ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫರ್ಫೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಎಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್, profitability. Current ratio is the proportion of dash to current liability. Answer, current assets. Current ratio formula ಏನು? Current assets divided by current liability. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ current ratio is the proportion of current assets to current liability. Next set, the partnership deed should be properly drafted and prepared as per the provisions of Dash Act. Answer, Stamp Act. Dash ratio is used for the adjustment of containing partners' capital. New profit sharing ratio is to be used for adjustment of containing partners' capital. When realization expenses are paid by the firm on dissolution, such expenses are debited to dash account. When the realization expenses are paid by the firm on dissolution, journal entry ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? realization account debit to cash or bank account. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ such expenses are to be debited to realization account ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. A company is an dash person. Answer, artificial person. Liquidity ratios are calculated to measure dash solvency of the business. Liquidity ratios are calculated to measure the short-term solvency of business. Next set, partnership comes into existence as a result of dash among the partners. Answer, agreement among the partners. Executor's account is generally prepared at the time of dash of a partner. At the time of death of a partner. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ನ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಆವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. On dissolution of a firm, partners loan account is to be transferred to dash account. Answer, cash or bank account. Quick ratio is also known as dash ratio. Quick ratio is also known as liquid ratio. Dash activities relate to the purchase and sale of fixed assets. Investing activity are related to the purchase and sale of fixed asset. Issue of shares, dividend paid ಇಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ dash. Answer, future profit. Capital reserve is created out of dash. Answer, capital profit. Loans which are repayable within 12 months are called short-term borrowings. Analysis and interpretation are complementary to each other. Collection of cash from trade receivables is dash. Answer cash inflow. The period from the date of last balance sheet and the date of the partner's death is called dash period. Answer intervening period. At the time of dissolution of a partnership firm, no entry is required when a dash accepts a fixed asset in payment of his dues. Answer creditor. The directors of a company must be dash. Answer shareholder. 3000 9% debenture are issued at par. 9% means rate of interest. Proprietary ratio expresses the relationship of proprietor's funds to long-term debts. Next paper. General reserve is to be transferred to dash account at the time of admission of a partner. General reserve is to be transferred to old partner's capital account at the time of admission of a partner. Dash account is credited for the realization of assets. Answer realization account. Profit on forfeiture of shares is transferred to dash account. Answer capital reserve account. Share capital appears under the head shareholders funds. Dash activities relate to the purchase and sale of fixed assets. Investing activity. Next paper. Dash account is prepared in case of fixed capital method. Answer current account. Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio is equal to new ratio. Profit on forfeiture of shares is transferred to capital reserve account. 10,000 12% debentures issued at par. Here 12% means interest rate. Common size statements is also known as vertical analysis. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. Dash is used for adjustment of continuing partners' capital. Answer new profit sharing ratio. Executor's account is generally prepared at the time of death of a partner. Debentures can't be redeemed at discount. Debentures cannot be redeemable at discount. Dash statements are the basic and formal annual report. Financial statements. Dash ratios are primarily measures of return, profitability ratios. Next question paper. Goodwill is an dash asset. Answer intangible. Partner's loan is dash to the realization account. Answer not transferred. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಲೋನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಲೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫರ್ಫೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್. Dash debit to partners capital or current account. Narration being transferring final profit to partners. Answer profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital or current account. Next question. Dash is debited for the transfer of share of accrued profit of a deceased partner. Answer profit and loss suspense account. Partner's loan is dash to the realization account. Answer not transferred. 1,000 10% debentures issued at par. Here 10% means rate of interest. Quick ratios is also known as dash ratio. Answer liquid ratio. Next question paper. Dash account is debited for the increase in the value of an asset. Answer, asset account. Call money received in advance is called calls in advance. Capital reserve is shown under the head reserves and surplus. Analysis and interpretation are dash to each other. Answer, complementary. Issue of new debentures is dash. Answer, cash inflow. Next question paper. Partnership is the result of dash between two or more persons to do business and share its profit and loss. So partnership is the result of agreement between two or more persons. Dash ratio is required for sharing future profit and also for adjustment of capital. Answer, new ratio. Premium on issue of debentures is dash. Answer, capital profit. Dash statements are the basic and formal annual report. Answer, financial statements. Cash flow statements prepared by dash method is used by most companies in practice. Answer, indirect method. Next question paper. Under fixed capital method, the amount of capital of partners is answer, fixed. Executor's account is generally prepared at the time of death of a partner. Debenture holders are the dash of company. Answer, creditors. ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫರ್ಫೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. Cash flow statement shows the dash of cash and cash equivalent. Answer, inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalent. Next question paper. Old ratio minus new ratio. So answer, sacrifice ratio. In case of dissolution of partnership, the books of accounts are dash. Answer, not closed. Debenture holders are dash of company. Answer, creditors. Common size analysis is also known as dash analysis. Answer, vertical. Dash ratios are primarily measures of return. Answer, profitability ratios. Next question paper. At the time of admission of a new partner, the profit and loss account balance appearing in the old balance sheet, that to be in the liability side, is credited to dash account. Answer, capital account. At the time of dissolution of a partnership firm, partner's loan account is not recorded in dash. Answer, realization account. Debentures can't be redeemable at dash. Answer, discount. Dash statements are the basic and formal annual report. Answer, financial statements. Dash ratios are calculated to measure the solvency of the business. Answer, liquidity ratios. At the time of admission of a new partner, the general reserve appearing in the old balance sheet is transferred to dash account. Answer, old partner's capital account. If a partner takes over an asset, such partner's capital account is dash. Answer, debited. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎಸೆಟನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೋ ಆವಾಗ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆನ್ ಎಸೆಟ್, ಸಚ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ debited. Debenture holders are dash of company, creditors of company. Common size statement is also known as vertical analysis. Liquidity ratios are calculated to measure the short-term solvency of business. Next question paper. The liability of a partner for the acts of the firm is dash. Answer, unlimited. Goodwill is an dash asset. Answer, intangible. 1000 10% debentures at par. Here 10% means rate of ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೋ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ವರ್ಡಿನ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಟು ದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ investing activity. Next question paper. Dash is used for the adjustment of continuing partners capital. Answer new ratio. Profit on forfeiture of shares is transferred to dash account. Answer capital reserve. Fixed assets are classified as tangible and dash assets. Answer intangible. The term financial analysis includes both analysis and dash. Answer interpretation. Next question paper. Capital reserve shown under dash head in the balance sheet of company. Answer reserves and surplus. Partnership has no separate dash entity. Legal. Old ratio minus new ratio is equal to sacrifice ratio. Financial statements include dash and balance sheet. Answer statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. Executor's account is generally prepared at the time of dash of partner. Answer death of partner. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು 21 ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.